talking about social fit, you're talking about campus life. What do the kids want in the campus that they're going to go to? So we just break it down pretty simply. How big, how far, right? Do you want to commute? Do you want to stay within 2 or 3 hours? Are you like my oldest daughter who wanted to get as far away as possible? But then we tell these kids to think about it seriously, right? What are all the factors? Do you want, a huge campus? Do you want a rural setting, a suburban setting, an urban setting? What other things are you looking for? Do you want Greek life? Do you hate Greek life? Do you want to do a study abroad? Do you need big time college sports? Or do you want a more quiet liberal arts setting in a community that might be a little bit more close-knit? And so those are all the things that I think go into finding a good campus life fit for the students. And when we kind of wrap it all up, quite simply, where are you going to feel like you're around your people? And where are you going to be happy to spend the next 4 years of your life?